have known Dr. Sitaram Reddy for the last 35 years. My first association with him was in Texas, in the St. Luke's Hospital, when my father had his bypass done and Sitaram took care of him. And it was because of him I owe to him the life of my father for 19 years, post CABG. Sitaram then had the great desire, though he was doing very well in the United States, to return back to India to serve the Indian people. And he joined the Nizam's Orthopedic Hospital for a short stint on a voluntary basis, and he was the first person to do a coronary artery bypass in the state of Andhra Pradesh, in the Andhra Mahila Sabha. Sitaram is a surgeon of extraordinary capability, and more than that, he has a heart of gold. He loves his patients, and there's always a kind word from him to them. And I wish Sitaram all the very best in the future.
I knew Dr. Sitaram Reddy for the last 25 years since he has been working at Andhra Mahila Sabha. See, Andhra Mahila Sabha is one of the first hospitals in Hyderabad who started cardiothoracic surgery unit, and Sitaram Reddy is the one who started doing surgeries at Andhra Mahila Sabha. He was very popular at that time, doing a lot of surgeries, at least 50 to 60 cases per month with less mortality. Then he shifted to Apollo Hospital when Apollo Hospital has started, and he was very popular at that time also. He is a very dedicated surgeon, spends a lot of time in doing surgeries, post-operative care. He has a lot of empathy for poor patients. I knew for so many patients he did free also. He is a very humble man. He attends a lot of scientific meetings. Personally, I knew him. He is a very nice man. Takes care of all his patients very well. Then for the poor patients, he is very helpful. I wish him all the best in his career. Thank you.
I know Dr. Sitaram Reddy from 1982 when he visited first time to Railway Hospital in Chennai. Since that time, we were closely associated, and I had a chance to work with him at Apollo Hospital, Chennai initially, and then he moved to Hyderabad, and I continued in Chennai. As a matter of fact, Dr. Sitaram Reddy was the first person who asked me to come to Hyderabad. So he is largely responsible for my growth, and he was my colleague, mentor, and supported me all along. I am very thankful to him. He is a thorough gentleman, as all of us know. He is extremely gentle, very unusual quality for a cardiac surgeon, I must say. He is an excellent person, excellent human being, and I am very, very fortunate that he was my colleague, senior colleague, and continued to work with me, supported me all along. I am very happy that Apollo is felicitating him. He was the pioneer in cardiac surgery in Andhra Pradesh. He started the coronary surgery program in the state, and we wish him all the very best and good luck for the future.
It is a pleasure for me to talk about my senior colleague, Dr. Sitaram Reddy. I have known him from 1983 onwards, when he was working as a cardiac surgeon in Andhra Mahila Sabha Hospital along with Dr. Dayasagar Rao. I met him quite often at that time, and he was doing cardiac open heart surgery and bypass surgeries there. I also know that he used to work in Apollo Hospital, Chennai, right from inception of the hospital, and I had the privilege of referring a lot of patients to him during that period. And the feedback from the patients which I received always suggested that he was an excellent human being, humane in his approach and helping the patients and having outstanding results. Even today, at his advanced age, he is one of the most reliable and non-controversial cardiac surgeons. And after some time, he branched off to vascular surgery. Even there, he has shown results of his tremendous caliber, and we were never afraid to refer patients to him, and the patients were always grateful for his services. So here I am very happy to introduce a person who is humane, humble, excellent in his work, and easily approachable. I wish him long years of life and good health.
It's my privilege to talk about Dr. Sitaram Reddy. He is one of my favorite doctors. I'm associated with him for the past 28 years in this Apollo Hospital. I heard that he was doing in Andhra Mahila Sabha prior to Apollo Hospital. He is a very eminent cardiothoracic surgeon. He is the first cardiothoracic surgeon in Apollo Hospital. He has done so many open heart surgeries, bypass, valvular wall replacements and CMVs. He is very soft spoken and very mild and very kind approach to the patients, and our patients are very happy that, because I was associated with him for the past 28 years. I know I have been doing his echoes and all for the past 28 years as a follow-up. He is very good in wall replacements and vasculars, especially in CME closed mitral valvotomy cases. I'll get so many patients. The wall area is more than 2 square centimeters. That is very good follow-up. So I'm very happy. I'll wish all the best and good health. Thank you, sir.
I am Dr. T. Badrinath, consultant cardiologist of Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills. Hi, Dr. Sitaram sir. You are the senior most cardiac surgeon of South India, at large one among in India. You proved your worth by your long clinical and surgical career. He is good at surgical skill, excellent clinical acumen, sober behavior. He is friendly to the patients, colleagues and at large to the institution. He is an asset to the institution and worthy of being honoured. I pray a long healthy life for the senior most cardiac surgeon, sir.
No, I am associated with Dr. Sitaram Reddy for the past 27 years. He is a person who has great respect towards the colleagues, patients and a caring attitude for all of them. He is a very soft-spoken person and a very dedicated worker, spending most of the time for the betterment of the patients. It's very nice to work with you, sir. You are so special for us. Thank you.
I am Dr. M.V. Raman Rao. My association with Dr. B. Sitaram Reddy is several decades old. I first joined as a medical officer in Andhra Mahila Sabha, and I did not know Dr. B. Sitaram Reddy, cardiothoracic surgeon, is the chief of the unit. During that period, I assisted Dr. B. Sitaram Reddy in almost all the cardiothoracic and vascular cases. He is a thorough gentleman and a good surgeon and a lovable person. He used to take care of me and all our staff very well. He used to look after us very well, and he used to take us to even picnics when there was holidays. Or after that I left for Saudi Arabia and came and joined again Dr. B. Sitaram Reddy in Apollo Jubilee Hills in the cardiothoracic unit. During this 96-2000 period, I assisted him in almost all the major surgical and vascular, major cardiothoracic and vascular cases. He is a nice gentleman and a good surgeon. He treats all his subordinates and colleagues very well. He is a lovable person. Apart from, he takes care of poor people and a person without any ego. Above all, Dr. Sitaram Reddy is interested in music, dance and cultural programs. He used to play tabla and got a teacher for teaching him tabla, and he was doing it in his house. And he is very much interested in music and classical dances. I frequently meet him. He is a nice person. I wish him all the best, and I wish him all the good health.
I consider it is my privilege to get an opportunity to speak a few words about Dr. Sitaram Reddy sir today. I have known him for the past few years, and he was my teacher, my examiner and excellent surgeon. it is my honor to work with him through these years. As far as I have known him, he is very down to earth, humble and a friendly person. He never considered him superior to any of us, and in fact he treated us like his co-mates. And thank you, sir, for always guiding us. It has been pleasure working with you and learning something new from you, and I wish you very, very happy and healthy life. Thank you, sir.
To my seniors and all my staff members, I am very proud of to tell about Dr. Sitaram Reddy Garu. He is a senior most surgeon. He is a vascular surgeon and also he is a CTVA surgeon. He is the first surgeon in Apollo who started the CABG first when the Apollo started. I am seeing him for the past more than 16 years. He is a very senior and also he is very good at surgical aspects, and also I referred to many patients for the vascular surgery and the results were very good. He is very polite. Even for he will call and he will tell for the patients follow up and what happened and what is going on, what to do. So that a senior most doctor is working still very actively with enthusiasm. I am very happy that Sitaram Reddy Garu, he was there for many years when the Apollo started. So we are grateful to you, sir. I am very happy to working under you for the past many years. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
నేను కార్డియాక్లో జాయిన్ అయిన కాడి నుంచి మీ దగ్గర నాకు ఎన్నో నేర్పించారు. నాకు సర్జరీ అంటే ఏంటో తెలీదు. నాకు ప్రతిదీ దగ్గరుండి ఎలా చేయాలనేసి నేర్పించి నన్ను ఇప్పుడు ఒక మంచి పొజిషన్లో ఉంచేటట్టు చేశారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. ఏ విషయమైనా సరే, ఏ సర్జరీ బిఫోర్ మాకంతా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి ఎలా చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేసి ముందు చెప్పేవారు. ఆ తర్వాత సర్జరీకి వచ్చేవారు. సార్ గురించి ఎంత చెప్పినా కూడాను అది తక్కువే అనిపిస్తుంది. ప్రతిదీ నిదానంగా ఓర్పుతో ఉండి నేర్పించి మాకు ఆ కేసు అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేసేవారు. నేను చిన్న కేసులకి వెళ్ళేదాన్ని. సారు నేర్పించడం వలన హార్ట్ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ కూడా వెళ్ళగలుగుతున్నాను సార్. మీరు ఏపీలో నెంబర్ 1, అపోలోలో కూడా మీరు నెంబర్ 1 సార్. పేషెంట్స్ ఎంతోమంది మీ గురించి చాలా హ్యాపీగా చెప్పేవాళ్ళు. సార్ దగ్గర ఉంటే మాకు ఎట్లాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు అని చెప్పి అట్లా చెప్తూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు. సార్కి మంచి ఆయురారోగ్యం దేవుడు ప్రసాదించాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నా. నమస్తే సార్.
సార్, నేను జూనియర్గా ఉన్నప్పటి నుండి కూడా మీరు నాకు అన్నీ నేర్పించారు సార్. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్. నాకైతే ఏం తెలీదు, అయినప్పటికీ మీరు మాకు ప్రతిదీ చిన్న పిల్లలకి నేర్పించిన విధంగా నేర్పించారు. మాకు మొదటంటూ ఏం తెలియకపోయినా మొదటి నుండి అదే నేర్పించి మీరు నేర్పించిన దాన్ని బట్టి మేము ఇప్పటి వరకు ఇంత ఎత్తు వరకు ఎదగలిగాము. అందరిలో కూడా మేము మంచిగా ఉండగలుగుతున్నాము. ఈరోజు మీ ముందు నిలబడి మీ గురించి చెప్పే స్తోమత కూడా మాకు కలుగజేశారు. మరి వీళ్ళందరికీ కూడా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను నేను. అంతేకాకుండా మీరు ఎంతో ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండి ఇంకా అనేక మంది పేషెంట్లకి మంచి ఆరోగ్యం ఇవ్వాలని ఆశపడుతున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా మీకు కూడా ఆయురారోగ్యాలు దేవుడు దయచేయాలని నేను దేవుడిని ప్రార్థిస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
I am fortunate to be associated with Dr. Sitaram Reddy, the great cardiac surgeon, since the past 32 years. He is not only a great surgeon, a very good human being. He respects the people by his hardworking and sincere, honest. He helped a lot of poor patients by his services. Very good at. He stands at a stage for 8 hours, even 10 hours if required for the patient, if it is a difficult surgery, and he does it with easy, with good success. Way back 1966, after completing his MBBS, he straight away went to America and did his MS and post-graduation and specialization in heart surgery. He is very fortunate and very experienced person. He has worked there for more than 20 years, and he is very fortunate to work in a world-reputed institution like Texas Heart Institute, where the world-famous cardiac surgeon with Dr. Denton Cooley in the operating room during the crisis, He's the coolest person, being ahead of the surgery. He's the coolest person and he makes the people to be calm and cool, and the way he touches the heart, the way he handles the tissue, the way he does surgeries and all is excellent. I pray God to give him a long life and a very healthy life. I'm proud of being associated with him. Thank you very much.